All right, well, good evening, fans. Welcome in here tonight on AudioSportsOnline.com. Rob Kendall is my name. Thanks for joining us. It's time for Zionsville girls varsity basketball, and tonight your Lady Eagles will play host to Park Tudor. Want to welcome you in. We got about 3 minutes before we begin our broadcast here tonight, and before we do begin the call to action, let's take you through the starting lineups for both teams. For your Zionsville Lady Eagles, it'll be number 10, Maggie McCurran. Number 11, Mary Balute. 20 is Elizabeth Schuler. 24, Maddie Yacht. And 32 is Lori King. So McCurran, Balute, Schuler, Yacht, and King, the starters for your Zionsville Eagles. You can see the Eagles there warming up in the screen there as we get ready to begin tonight's contest. For the visiting squad from Park Tudor, it will be number 34 is Abby Baroker, 6 foot, a senior. Number 24 is Kate Kimball. She is a sophomore. Number 22 is Alex Urbanik, a sophomore. Number 14, Bailey Dominguez, a senior. And number 5 is Ella Freehofer, a senior. So Freehofer, Dominguez, Urbanik, Kimball, and Baroker are your starters for the visiting Park Tudor squad. Pan around here, show you the rest of the court for today's ball game. We are in our usual corner of the gym here. Our table appears to be a little bit more wobbly than normal, so we do apologize for that, but we're going to bring in the action as best we can here tonight. I am stationed in. 1 minute left to go on the clock. We'll have the starting lineups, our national anthem, and then we are good to go. All right, both teams have been introduced. We're out on the floor and just about ready to go for tonight's ball game. And it will be number 11, Ballyute, tipping it up for the Eagles. That tip was controlled by Park Tudor, and the Panthers will have the ball. 34, that's Baroker in there, lost the handle on it. Zionsville comes away with the basketball early on. And now another steal the other way. So both teams playing a little game of back and forth here early on. And there's a 2-ball put up and in by Kimball. So 2-0 in favor of Park Tudor. Panthers are in the the red uniforms. Your Zionsville Eagles are in blue, or in white, I'm sorry. As ball comes around the horn, that's Schuler with it. Over to Maggie McGuire. And a long three is up and in for three. And Yacht is the one who put it home. And that will make it. A 3-2 ball game. 6:42 left to play here in the first. Ball comes in the corner over to Baroker. Baroker gets it over to Urbanic. Zionsville playing some nice defense here early on. To the hole, shot up. Yacht grabs the rebound. And here come the Eagles back the other way. Shot up, it's no good. Rebound is pulled down by Baroker. And it'll be Dominguez to run it up. Zionsville leads 3-2. Long three is up. It's short. It'll sail nearly out of bounds into the hands of Yacht. And here come the Eagles pushing back the other way. Yacht, 3-ball, is up and good. Yacht is 2 for 2 from 3 range. And the ball knocked out of bounds. It's going to belong to Zionsville. So the Eagles playing some defense early on. 6-2 our score. Up top to Ballyute. Long 2 is up and good. Baluyet in for 2. Jumper back the other way is no good. Rebound up, put 20 that was here away. That is no down by Park Tudor, and here come the Panthers. Park Tudor trying to work the ball now as they trail it by 6 points early on. Baroker with the ball, dribbles all the way to the left side. Now kicks it up top to 24, that's Kimball. Kimball over to Freehofer. Shot is no good, rebound pulled away by Yacht. Now back the other way, here come the Eagles. Ball is taken away again on the missed shot by the Panthers. And a bit of a back and forth contest here as we are 4 minutes into the ball game. And there's a 2-ball by Dominguez. Makes the score 8-4. Scoreboard yet to update itself. And there we go. So now if the Zionsville turnover, it'll be the Panthers with a chance to cut into the lead. They're down 8-4. And now whistle. And we'll see what the foul. 3 seconds. Not too sure what that whistle was, but the Panthers will retain control of the ball. And there's a 2. I guess it's going to be a 2. They did not signal a 3, and that was Dominguez hitting the shot. Which means the Eagles are now up only 2. Long 3 is up. It's no good. Loose ball is tracked down. And here come the Panthers back the other way. Zionsville with the 2-point advantage. Clock continues to move here in the first quarter of action. Jumper up off the glass, no good. Rebound is pulled down. And now back the other way. A 2-ball up from Freehofer is no good. And the whistle and the foul is going to be called on. I believe they're going to get the Eagles committing the violation. And it'll put Baroker at the free throw line. First free throw is up and in and out. 2:59 left to play in the first quarter. It's an 8-6 lead in favor of the Eagles. Second free throw is good. 8-7 our score. .245 left to play. First quarter. Yacht 3, no. Rebound tipped up. Loose ball tipped up again. Pulled out of there. And here come the Panthers with a chance to claim the lead. They're down by 1, 8-7. And now another steal. Ball in the corner to Yacht. It's tipped out of bounds by 22, Urbanek. Zionsville with the lead in the ball. 2 minutes and 10 seconds left to play here in the first quarter of action. Long jumper from Yacht, no good. And once again, Park Tudor can claim the lead. See what they can do here. As Freehofer around the corner, jumper up, no, loose ball tipped up. Ball pulled out of there. And here come the Eagles. That's number 3, Grace McGuire with the ball. Picks up the dribble, nowhere to go, comes back up top, around the horn, over to Yacht. And they're going to say a long two that was Schuler. Foot on the line, apparently. That's 2 long twos, one from each team early on in this ball game. Nice little reverse layup. Ooh, nice move there. That was Urbanek for 2. To the hole, and there's a foul. And that was number 50, Bammer, going up for the shot with 58.7 seconds to play in the first quarter. And Bammer will shoot 2 free throws. 10-9 our score. Advantage Zionsville. Second shot is up. It is no good. Loose ball tipped up out of bounds. And it will belong to the Panthers. Full court press now by Zionsville. And they will get it in. Baroker with it. Zionsville with the 1-point lead as the clock winds inside of 40 seconds left to go here in the first quarter. Ball tipped away, controlled by the visitors. Panthers with it down inside. And it'll come to Urbanek. Kimball's got it. Gives it off to Baroker. In the corner over to Urbanek. Dribbles back up towards the top of the key. Off the foot, and they will say last touched by a Panther player. And so that means Zionsville will have control of the ball as we move inside of 13 seconds to play in the first quarter. Zionsville can play for the final shot. See what the Eagles can come up with here. Ball comes left side. Now a long jumper in and out. And that was a good look for Schuler. Couldn't get it to go. And we have played 1 quarter. We've got an 11-9 ball game. Zionsville with the lead. Okay, well, we welcome everybody back. You stepped away there momentarily. Big night at Zionsville High School. I think we've got a wrestling meet going on across the way. And, of course, lots of action in here as we got a girls varsity basketball contest. The band is here tonight as well. I pulled up to the parking lot this evening and saw the cars and thought, wow, that's a lot of folks for a girls basketball game. But several events are going on tonight, and that would explain the large attendance in the parking lot. I want to say a special thank you to Athletic Director Greg Shellhouse, always a huge help for us and making sure everything runs smoothly. We could not do this without him. A huge thank you to Greg. Eagles turn it over. And here come the visitors. Pass down inside, out of bounds, and it'll belong to Zionsville. Long three is off the front of the rim. No good. It'll sail out of bounds. Last touch by Zionsville. And the ball will go back to Park Tudor. Panthers run it across the 10-second line. Well down inside to Baroker. Lost the handle on it. Nice block there. Ends up in the hands of Dominguez. A jumper up, no good. And the putback is no good. Dominguez grabs the rebound. Missed again. And, I'm sorry, check that. 22 is Urbanic, not Dominguez. Sorry for the misidentification there. One foul apiece. Spin move. Shot blocked from behind. And it'll belong to the Park Tudor. Sorry, the foul will belong to Zionsville. The ball will belong to Park Tudor in the form of Baroker at the free throw line. First free throw is up. It's good. And that will cut the lead to 1. Second free throw goes down. That'll cut the lead to 0. And we are tied at 11. And now traveling call on the Eagles. 6:28 left to play. Now nice job by McCurran there to get in there and knock it away. Ball ends up in the hands of 24, Kimball. And it is good for 2, so a 6:10 to play. Park Tudor has the lead at 13-11. And the ball's knocked out of bounds. It'll belong to Park Tudor with the ball, taking it towards the hole. Shot off the top of the glass, no good. Yacht comes out of there with it. And now let's see what the Eagles can come up with here. Schuler's got the ball. Yacht, top of the key. And they were trying to hit Yacht in the corner. She's asking for a tip. Did not get the call. And the ball will belong to Park Tudor. 5:32. Left to play in the ball games. First half. 2-point lead for the visiting Panthers. .5:14 left to play here in the first half. It's a 2-point lead for the visiting Panthers of Park Tudor. They have the ball out of bounds. To work it in here. Let's see what they can come up with. They do quickly. Shot up. It's short. Rebound is pulled down. An acrobatic putback by Baroker goes in. Quickly, Zionsville will try to respond here. Zionsville trailing it by 4 points now. That's the largest lead of the game for the visitors. And a nice shot there by Kristen Castelli for 2. Cuts the lead to 2 points. Roker goes to the hole, hoop in the harm. And with 4:30 to play in the first half, it's a 17-13 lead for Park Tudor. Shot is errant from Lori King. Ball will end up in the hands of the Eagles, though, as it sailed out of bounds. It was touched by Park Tudor. Jumper up, no good. Rebound pulled down, fought for, pulled out of there. And here come the Panthers. A long 3, no good. Baroker will pull down the rebound, and North Central is going to get, or North Central, I'm sorry, Park Tudor going to get another bite of the apple. They got those North Central colors. There's a steal. McGuire to the basket. Got it to go for 2. And we're going to get a timeout called by Park Tudor, which will stop the clock. 18-15 our score. 3:37 left to play in the first half. Long jumper is up and good. And foul is made on the way to the basket. It'll put McGuire at the free throw line. (20 to 15) our score. One more on the way from McGuire. 3:21 left to play. Shot is up. It's no good. Loose ball tipped up. Ripped out of there by Baroker. Shot is up. It's no good. Pulled down. And here come the Eagles. Shot is up. It's no good. A loose ball pulled out of there. And it ends up in the hands of Becky Miller, 42. And the ball sails out of bounds. It'll belong to Park Tudor. Jumper up, no good. Loose ball tipped up, pulled down again. Urbanik with it, and a traveling call against the Panthers. Bammer back in, as is Schuler for the Eagles. 2:32 left to play. First half, 20-15 our score. Advantage for the visitors from Park Tudor. Schuler's shot blocked. Ends up in the hands of Freehofer. Oh, nice defense there, as that was Castelli that ended up tipping it away, almost accidentally there, it looked like. Swatted at the ball, ended up with it. Yada 3, it's up and good. And now a loose ball, stolen by the Eagles. Zionsville can tie the game. 20-18 is our score. Out of bounds, last touched by the Panthers. Eagles ball. (20-18) our score. 1:25 to play in the ball game's first half. And now there's a steal. Long jumper up, left-handed shot up and in. Baroker with the ball, puts it in for 2. Nice move by Miller. Lost the handle on it, though. Ends up in the hands of Park Tudor. 50 seconds to play here in the first half. And Park Tudor with a 4-point lead in the ball. Around the horn it comes to Kimball. Oh, a nice steal by Schuler. And Schuler to the basket, makes the layup. And Schuler's layup is good. .21 seconds to play off the jump ball. Ball will belong to the Lady Eagles. .15 seconds to go. Over to Yacht. Yacht high on the wing, dribbles center of the floor, now right side. Shot blocked, ends up in the hands of Bammer, and Bammer can't get a shot off before the half comes to an end. So we've played one, and it's a 22-20 ball game. We'll take a break. Be back in the second half here on AudioSportsOnline.com. All right, well, fans, we're just about ready to go with our second half here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Rob Kendall is my name. Thanks for joining us. Eagles trail the Panthers by 2, 22-20. And it'll be Park Tudor ball to begin the second half. They'll be moving from right to left on your computer screen. Eagles will be the home team on the scoreboard wearing the white screen letters and numbers. Park Tudor, the visitors, red jerseys with white numbers. Quick jumper the other way, up, no good. Rebound fought for, ball on the floor, tracked down. Schuler's got it. She really played a nice first half. And here come the Eagles running back the other way. Let's see what they can come up with. Long two is up. It is good. Schuler for two. And here come the Panthers now. Tie ball game. Both sides pretty evenly matched throughout most of the ball game. Now a steal by Schuler. And the ball, unfortunately for the Eagles, stolen back the other way. There's the long three. It's no good. Rebound pulled down by 34 Baroker. Dominguez with it. The corner to Freehofer, and that's a good two. Long jumper, no good. Rebound tracked down by Baroker. 6:37 to play. Third quarter, I should say. Zionsville down by 2, 24-22. Now make that 6, as that layup from Urbanek is good. And now Zionsville once again with the turnover bug, giving the ball back to the visitors. Inside, Baroker got position, missed the layup. Nice job by Zionsville there, really hanging on to that position underneath. And was able to defend their way to stopping that basket. 6:04 left to play. Bammer for two. McGuire on the assist, and that'll make it a 2-point ball game, which is right where we started the half at. 26-24. Nice block by the Eagles. And Zionsville continuing to keep up that nice defensive effort. Early on in the second half, 5:45 left to play in the third period. It is a 2-point lead for Park Tudor. Ball out of bounds. It'll be tracked down by the Eagles, but already out of bounds when that happened. So, therefore, that means the ball will belong to Park Tudor. Nearly a steal. And now there is a steal. And they will say out of bounds off Park Tudor, apparently. So the ball will belong to the Eagles. 5:28 left to play. And a 30-second timeout will be taken here in the third quarter by the visitors. Possession back in. Zionsville can tie it up or take the lead here. 5:20 to play in the third. 26-24 the score. Schuler with the ball. McGuire to Yacht. Oh, they had Bammer open under the basket. Missed her. Now they get it back. Up top it'll come around the horn. Yacht passing on the three to McGuire in the lane. Now they get Bammer, and Bammer makes the two. And we're tied at 26. Crowd comes to life. Jumper up, rebound Yacht. Here come the Eagles, pushing back the other way. Lost the handle on it out of bounds. Last touched by Park Tudor. So Zionsville will retain possession. 4:39 left to play in the third period. Zionsville working with the ball, trying to get that lead back. McGuire, a long three is good. Now Zionsville with the steal back the other way. Here come the Eagles, trying to add to that lead. Currently at 3, 29-26. Turnover by the Eagles. Gives it back to the Panthers. Jumper up, no good. Rebound tracked down. Tipped away. Loose ball fought for. Baroker with it. Jumper up and in for two. That was number 22, Alex Urbanek. Eagles lead us at 1. And the ball will sail out of bounds. McGuire's three extends the lead to 6, 34-28. 2:20 to play. Third period. Zionsville trying to get some distance here. I believe 6 is the biggest lead in the ball game for them. This game has pretty much been played between the 4s. I could be wrong, but again, just going off memory, I cannot remember there being a bigger lead than that. Maybe it was 8 at one point. McGuire with it. Dribbles. Three ball is good. Grace McGuire for three. 37-28. Zionsville's on a roll, and Park Tudor is going to spend a timeout. Minute 32 left to play, third period. And we're going to get a turnover. We are. We're going to get over and back. So Zionsville able to force another miscue by the visitors. Lead currently standing at 9. Minute 20 to play. Third period. Zionsville really in control of this one here tonight. After a seesaw battle for most of the contest, missed layup. Yacht knocks it out of bounds. 2 team fouls on the visitors, none on the Eagles here in the quarter. Shot is up and good. Eagles, rather the Panthers, break the scoring drought. Baroker for 2. And now a foul is called on jump ball called. Zionsville was looking for a timeout. Positioner was going to stay with the Eagles. Oh, nice inbound. And that was McCurran for 2, 39-30. Two seconds to go. Shot is up. It's no good. And that'll bring the end of the third quarter. But a good quarter for the Eagles. Trailed by 2 coming in, lead by 9 going out. An 11-point swing puts them up 39-30. To the fourth quarter we play along. 9-point lead for Zionsville. They'll start out on defense. Trying to hold on to this lead. There's a quick jumper. No. Ball knocked out of bounds. Last touched by Park Tudor. Pass down inside. McCurran up. No. Rebound tipped up, out of bounds, and it'll belong to Park Tudor. Jumper up, no good. Loose ball tipped up, pulled down, put up, no. Ball out of bounds. Last touch by number 5, Freehofer. Nice pass inside. Good position by Lori King. And King was able to get the 2. The other way. 5-second call on the Eagles, so turnover, 6:34 to play in the contest. 41-30 is the score. Eagles with the lead. Broker for 2. Around the horn it comes to Schuler. And now a turnover. And a traveling call. Nice pass. Oh, shot missed. Rebound pulled down, up and in for 2, and that was Lori King. Great job there by Lori King. (43-32), 5:15 to play in the ball game. Eagles with the clock as their friend now, leading by 11. And McGuire to the hole, got the left-handed layup to go. Nice job by McGuire. Lead expands to 13. Ball knocked out of bounds. It will belong to Park Tudor. Jumper short, loose ball tracked down. Oh, nice move to the hole. Great give. Bammer for 2. Eagles cleaning up as they have now expanded the lead to 15. 4 minutes, 5 seconds to go in the ball game. There's a foul, and they're going to get King on the reach. First one is good. Lead cut to 14. Shot is up. It is good. Pass down inside. Shot is up. No good. King with the rebound. She's fouled. And with 3:48 to play in the contest, 13-point lead for the Eagles. King will head to the free throw line. Shot is up and good. Second shot is short. Rebound put up, and a foul is called. (48-34) as that one goes down. Shot is up. It's good. And now 49-34 the score. Bit of a tough foul there called on the Eagles. Looked like a pretty good defensive play. Second team foul on the Eagles. That foul was put on Castelli. Castelli really played a nice first half, kept the Eagles in the ball game. First free throw is up and in from Urbanik. Second free throw up and in. 49-36. Jumper up, no. Rebound King. King is fouled. And King will shoot two. (50-36) is our score. 3 minutes, 6 seconds to play in the ball game. Eagles up by 14. Lori King at the free throw line. Ball will sail out of bounds. Going to belong to Eagles. Time beginning to wind down in this one. 2:35 to play. 15-point lead for Zionsville. Stelly dribbles into the corner. Up top to Yacht. Yacht all the way down into the corner again. Flips it back up top. 2:20 and counting. Nice job here by McGuire dribbling out of some trouble. Zionsville really trying to run some clock, trying to run the ball game inside of 2 minutes. And it looks like they're going to be able to do that. Park Tudor yet to foul. Back up top to Schuler. Schuler dribbles to the right side. Picks up the dribble down inside to a wide open McCurran. Nice close there by the visitors, and McCurran couldn't get the basket to go. So with a minute 45 to play. Now in anticipation, steal by McCurran. Foot race to the basket, lays it up and in for two. Minute 28 left to play. Eagles leading it by 17 now, 53-36. And Zionsville's going to take home the victory here tonight. Ball and the lead for Zionsville. Oh, McGuire fell down. Looks like she's all right, but it's going to result in a turnover there. Jumper, short, rebound saved. Park Tudor still with the ball. There's a long two that's up, swatted, pulled back down. Another jumper up, no. Rebound pulled down, and here. Ball's, and they're going to call a foul. Man, 24 seconds to play and a foul called there on the Panthers. It'll put Zionsville back at the free throw line. First shot is up and in. 54-36 the score. Second shot is good. 55-36. Winding down here. 17 seconds to play. Shot is up. No good. Rebound pulled down. Put back up. No good. Yacht comes out of there with it. And they can just dribble this one out and hold the ball. It looks like that's what they're going to do. 3, 2, and 1. Zionsville the victor. 55-36 over Park Tudor. Great ball game tonight for the Lady Eagles. Thanks for joining us. And until next time, I'm Rob Kendall saying have yourself a great evening. Zionsville takes it 55-36 over Park Tudor.